Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Canva brand kit, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Canva brand kit, first, log into your Canva account. Navigate to the home page once you're logged in. Locate the brand tab in the left sidebar. Click on the brand tab to access your brand settings. If you are part of a team, ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes. Choose the brand kit option from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see an option to create or customize your brand kit. To start, click on Create a Brand Kit if you haven't set one up yet. Fill in the required information such as your brand name and upload your logo. Ensure that your logo is in a high-quality format for best results. Next, select your brand colors by clicking on the color palette. You can enter hex codes or use the color picker tool. Choose your brand fonts by selecting from the available font options. This helps maintain consistency across all your designs. After customizing your kit, click Save to store your settings. To authorize your brand kit for use, navigate back to the Brand tab. Find the Brand Kit section and click on Manage Kit. Here, you can set your brand kit as the default for your team. Toggle the option for Set as Default Brand Kit. Confirm your selection to authorize. Now, your brand kit is ready for use in any design you create. Test it by opening a new design and checking your brand settings. This completes the authorization process for your Canva brand kit. Your brand is now set up and ready to shine in all your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.